Hi there. If you go to fiverr.com and you type this word colorize photos, you find that people are making $5 to $10 in each picture or any photo they colorize. In this video, I am going to show you how to colorize photos or old photos using AI. So go to Google or Bing and type Deep AI. Go down on the website and search for Colorize. I will leave the link on the description. Then go and grab your image you want to colorize. I will go to Google and type black and white photo. I will download this picture, save. It's on desktop. I need to upload the image. You have also the option to use the link. I will use the link. Yes, I will try using the link of and type generate. Now we have the results. They have done the colorizing professional way. All you have to do is to download the image to your computer, then send it to your clients. Thank you for watching this video.